All right, here we go. Question number 5 from our Precalculus, homework number 1 in MyLab Math. We're going to need to launch the interactive figure in order to answer this question, and that will open a new window. The instructions say to select function 2. So over here we have a set of 4 functions. We need to select function 2, and then we're going to use the range and domain sliders to identify the range and domain. So we're going to start with the domain. It says what is the domain of the function. If I click on that and then use the slider going all the way across, you're going to see this green arrow appear. It's going to indicate that the domain begins at -5 and the domain continues to infinity. That's because the graph begins at -5. There is no graph left of -5. And the graph is going to be continuous to infinity. Now there's 2 ways to write the domain. You can say the set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to -5. This is set notation. Or you can say everything from -5 to infinity. The bracket says that -5 is included in the domain. And we do want our answer in interval notation. So we're simply going to copy what they gave us over here with a bracket from the keyboard, -5, comma, infinity, infinity from the toolbar, and the range of the function. Again, if we come over here and turn off the domain, turn on the range, and slide the slider all the way over, it's going to give us the range is everything from 0 to infinity. Now the range are the values that y can be, and notice that the graph begins at the x-axis. There is no graph below the x-axis. So starting at 0, that would be a y value of 0, the graph will continue to increase as we go to infinity. So the graph will have a y value associated all the way to infinity. Again, we have set notation and interval notation, and we need to input the interval notation. So again, from the keyboard, bracket 0 to infinity with a parenthesis, and we're done. If you have any other questions about that particular problem, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.